Hi. Alright, this is another example for applying remainder theorem. Okay, look at the worksheet that I give you in your lecture or tutorial. So, the polynomial, right? The polynomial 2x4 power 4, right? This is a polynomial given. The question said, has a remainder of 6. The remainder is 6. The remainder is 6. When divided by what? When divided by x plus 1. This is our remainder. So the same thing here, the remainder is 3 over 2 when divided by 2x minus 1. Find the values of constant a and b, right? This is another way of the question asking you to find the value of a and b, right? A and b. So remainder is 6 when divided by x plus 1. Remainder is 3 over 2 when divided by 2x minus 1. So I apply remainder theorem. So remainder theorem for the first statement here. So what is the remainder? The remainder, okay, your remainder will be equals to p. So when divided by x plus 1, right, x plus 1, so you're going to equate the x plus 1 to 0, and you have x equals to negative 1. So the negative 1 you're going to put inside here, because to get the remainder when divided by this is to take this equals to 0 and take the value of x here and put into the p. Alright, so your remainder will be 6, right? Remainder is 6 when divided by x plus 1. So this is the first mathematics equation here, right? P negative 1 equals to 0. So, and you're going to substitute the negative 1 into the polynomial, which you have 2 negative 1 power 4 minus with a negative 1 power 3 plus with negative 1 square plus with b negative 1 plus 1. Once you substitute the negative 1 here, you will definitely get your remainder, right? The remainder is 6, they already told you, right? So this one will be 2 minus with negative 1 power 3 is negative, so you get positive a here. Then you have positive 1 here, right? Then negative b here, negative b plus 1 equal to 0. I was getting an equation with 2 unknown, right? So you have a minus b here. So a minus b. 2 plus 1 plus 1, right? 2 plus 1 plus 1, you have 4, right? 4. So bring it over there, 6 minus 4, you have 2. You have your equation 1, right? This is your equation 1. So, then another information you're getting from the second statement there, where the polynomial, when divided by 2x minus 1, the remainder is 3 over 2. The remainder is 3 over 2. So means that you're going to take 2x minus 1, equate it to 0. X equals to 1 over 2, right? Because you divide by 2x minus 1. So once you take this value, you put into the polynomial, you will definitely get your remainder here. So means that p 1 over 2 will be the remainder when you divide it by 2x minus 1, which is equals to 3 over 2. Alright? Substitute this into the equation. So 2 1 over 2 power 4 minus with a 1 over 2 power 3 1 over 2 power 2 1 over 2 plus 1, everything equate to 3 over 2, right? You are getting another equation here. So let's see, this is 1 over 16, right? 1 over 16 times 2, you have 1 over 8, right? So minus with 1 over 8, 1 over 2 cube is 1 over 8a plus with 1 over 4, right? 1 over 4, 1 over 2b plus 1 equals to 3 over 2, right? So, okay, how to get another equation? I see there is the highest, the multiple here, the 8, alright? The 8. So everything I multiply with 8. I multiply with 8, I have 1 here. I multiply with 8 for this, I have a here. Multiply 8, the whole equation I multiply 8. So 1 over 4 multiplied with 8, you have 2. right? Plus with 4b, multiply 8 multiply 8, right? You have 2, 4, 8, 4, 3, 12. So I rearrange this. I have negative a plus with 4b, negative a plus 4b, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8, 11, right? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8, 11 equals to 12. And I have negative a plus with 4b equals to 12 minus 11. I have 1. This will be my equation 2 here. So you can find the value of a and b by applying simultaneous. So then you know that a minus b equals to 2. Equation 1. Negative a plus 4b equals to 1. Equation 2. Solving these two simultaneous equations, the best way will be you take the equation 1 add with equation 2. Because why? You know that a plus with negative a, you will get 0, right? That's why I'm choosing plus here. So a plus with negative a, you have 0. Negative b plus with 4b, you have 3b, right? You have 3b. 2 plus 1, you have 3. So b will be equals to 1, right? As simple as that. So once you know b is 1, you substitute into 1. So you have a minus b, which is 1, equals to 2. So a, the value will give you 3, right? So by applying remainder theorem, finally you have getting your value of a, which is 3, and b is 1, right? So as easy as this. This is the way you're applying remainder theorem.